So this is a Great Western Railway 5600, or Taffy tank as they're known as, and its number is 6695. This was taken at Corfe Castle station, or no, not station, but down by the sidings. And today we've got a HST coming, which will be coming later in the video. Okay, so we have a rather unexpected Class 33.
Come on, Lee. You like them?
Oh, I'm good, thanks.
Go on.
No, I'm good.
Kick your mind, doesn't
Thanks. That was a bit loud.
That's the signal, I think.
Yeah.
That's a signal sound. Oh no!
Oh, signal's up now.
Did you mean for the HST?
Probably. Signal's up now.
Right, you're just going to have to really push out the lungs, really sting out when you get down here.
And this is 33111, also known as Spot Dog. And then tail ending, we have class 33/2, 33202, also known as Dennis G. Robinson. I'll be back in a minute when the HST has arrived.
This is a waving
It's the moment we've all been waiting for, the HST.
Royal way.
Yeah, twist the hand. Twist the hand. Yeah.
We pretend we're cheeky.
No, Steve. Where's the sign? Signets. Told ya. Told ya. Yeah. So you got something.
I think I just saw my friend Callum on that. Brilliant. Okay, so I'm back. The HST went past about 10 minutes ago now, and the Cromptons are back, or the 33s. What did you think about the HST then? If you would like to comment about what you thought, then please do comment below. And the Cromptons will be leaving shortly. And if you're wondering what all the noise was on that when the HST went past, I'm in the Railways youth group, so I've got all the leaders and everyone cheering on because one of our leaders was driving the HST, or in the cab, so yeah. And then there's my friend James, and then there's my friend Cameron. Cameron's got a YouTube account, I think he's got one. And then there's our glorious B-van, which we're working on. And then there's Aiden, our leader. And then back to the 33s, which at the moment they are stationary in the platform, wasting my battery. Well, they're not really wasting it.
And there's Derek and Joe walking down.
And then please tell me that.
What the hell is that?
I think there's a helicopter coming across. Please don't tell me Lee's coming across in a helicopter.
No, that's probably not Lee. That looks more like a Coast Guard helicopter.
No, it looks more like a police helicopter actually. Just saying that. Or the type Lee flies, yeah. Okay, so I will be back when the 33s are ready to leave for once. Okay, so the 33s are leaving, and Cameron, if you could please stop. Right, they are approaching at speed, and hopefully I will get them to blow the horn. Cameron, please can you stop that? And this one, as you might guess, is 33-02 or Dennis G. Robinson, and it is very loud. And then 33-111 hot dog. And just to make a note of 33-02's clag, all I can say now is keep calm and carry on clagging. That's all I can say. I will be back shortly, or not really shortly, or whenever the next train is coming past. I'm pretty sure it is the 5600 or 6695. Then, and also, Corfe Castle is in the background, or the station is. But anyway, I will be back with you when the next train is coming, and I will try not to keep you delayed. I will see you in a bit. As again, 6695. Okay, 6695 again on a return trip back to Swanage. I think this will be like the last bet I get unless the HST comes back, because I don't know if you're getting a bit bored, but do check out my channel. Actually said that this will be the end of it, so do check out my channel for daily Swanage Railway updates, and also if you are interested, please do subscribe. And if you have any questions, please do comment. So I am Jordan from the Iron Fortress, and until my next video, goodbye.